Hello, my name is Pranav Pandey, course MCA first year, Division A, SRN number 31240643, subject Advanced Software Engineering, topic name Waterfall Model, project 2. Introduction to Waterfall Model. Introduction to Waterfall Model introduced the waterfall model as one of the earliest software development methodology. Emphasize its step-by-step linear structure which moves in one direction through predefined phases. Note that requirements are gathered comprehensively at the beginning, with the entire project relying on accurate planning from start. Phases of waterfall model. Requirements analysis. Collecting and documenting all project documents. System design. Designing the architecture and planning software and hardware needs. Implementation. Coding. Translating the design into code and developing the software. Testing. Verifying that each component meets requirements, checking for bugs. Development. Installing the system in a live environment and making it operational. Diagram. Advantages of waterfall model. Clear project structure. Each stage has defined tasks, making progress easier to flow. Ease of management. Simple to assign tasks as phases are clearly outlined. Documentation is in depth. Complete documentation in each phase provides references points for future stages. Ideal for short term, well defined projects. Works well for projects with stable requirements and little expected change. Disadvantage of waterfall model. Lack of flexibility. If a phase outcome requires revision, it's challenging to make changes. Potential for high cost. Errors discovered in later phases can be expensive to fix due to the sequential nature. Limited stakeholder involvement. Users and clients see the product only at the end, limiting iterative feedback. Not adaptable for complex changing projects. Suited more for projects with stable, unchanging requirements. Waterfall model versus agile model. Pros and cons for waterfall model. Pros: structured, less complex in making and managing short term projects. Cons: lack flexibility, limited stakeholders engagement. Pros and cons in agile model. Pros: adapts well to change, allows for continuous feedback. Cons: more complex to manage, requires frequent collaboration. Visual diagram comparing linear waterfall model and iterative agile model. Use case and applications. Ideal projects with defined requirements. Example include constructions projects, embedded systems, and government process where requirements